Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is a noodles recipe that I love to order or love to prepare at home. The burnt garlic noodles that aroma persists after we have it. So thought of to share this recipe with you people so that you can prepare it at home and enjoy it. So let's get into my kitchen to prepare burnt garlic noodles. Let's start it with the boiled noodles. Here I have chosen a local brand of thin strained noodles. Through the boiled noodles, I going to add oil. I have to cook it less to 2 or 3 minutes than it mentioned in the packet, so that after cooking the noodles must not get soggy or sticky. To avoid this one, I have cooked it less time, and after boiling with my hands I am coating the noodles with oil. So you also follow this step so that you also end up with a fine noodles. Now in the heated oil I am adding garlic 1 tablespoon that is finely chopped. Now you saute the garlic. You can get the aroma, and when the garlic turn brown, then you turn the flame off and take the garlic out from the oil like that. We will gonna use that garlic later on in the recipe for garnishing and also in the cooking process. So take as much garlic possible from the oil. If something left, then leave it. Now add in the heated oil the dry red chili. I have used 2 red chilies. You can use 2 to 4. I don't want it that much spicy, that's why. Now I'm adding 1 chopped red onion and the white portion of the spring onion. Now I'm starting sauteing it, keeping the flame high. Don't need to saute it that much because in later part it will going to cook. Now I'm adding capsicum. I have used 3 colors capsicums. Whatever capsicums you can lay your hands on, you can use it. Give it a mix and adding mushroom. I've used button mushroom, and mushroom is optional. We loved it, that's why we used it. Whatever veggies you like, you can use it. Now I'm adding soy sauce, a half teaspoon, vinegar, half teaspoon, salt as required, and black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon. Mix everything with the veggies. Keep the flame high because we're going to start frying it. Don't overcook, otherwise the crunchiness of the vegetables will goes away. Now add the boiled noodle that was coated with the oil beforehand. Now mix the veggies with the noodles. You can use the tongs, you can use the forks, whatever way you are comfortable with, you cook it. I love to do it with my spatula only. Now I add the garlic that we have separated from the oil initially, and the spring onion, green portion of the spring onion. Add as much as it possible, and one thing, you must keep aside little garlic for garnishing. Now it is done and ready to be served hot. So now it's ready to be served. Served it hot, enjoy it hot. I hope you will gonna prepare this recipe at home, and I bet after preparing one time you will going to prepare this recipe many times. Garnish it with garlic and spring onion and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and if you like it, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and enjoy.